Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into a revolutionary topic, the science and technology behind prosthetic limbs. From simple wooden legs used centuries ago to the advanced AI-powered prosthetics today, this field has evolved tremendously. So, how do prosthetics work, and what cutting-edge technologies are making them more functional? Let's find out. Prosthetic limbs are artificial devices that replace missing arms, legs, or other body parts. They've come a long way from basic materials like wood and metal. Today, prosthetics are advanced machines designed to restore functionality and mobility as much as possible. Let's break down the key parts of a modern prosthetic limb. Whether it's for an arm or a leg, these components are essential. Socket. This is where the prosthetic connects to the residual limb. It's custom-made to fit snugly and comfortably. Suspension system. This keeps the prosthetic in place. Some use vacuum suction, others use straps or sleeves. Joints. These are the parts that mimic your natural elbow, knee, or ankle movements. Artificial limb. This is the visible part, often made of lightweight but strong materials like carbon fiber or titanium. Prosthetics are designed based on the user's specific needs, whether it's for basic movement or more complex tasks. But here's the real question. How do they move? Let's explore the science that makes this possible. Prosthetic limbs can be powered in two main ways: body-powered and externally powered. Body-powered prosthetics rely on cables and harnesses attached to your body. When you move your shoulder or upper body, the cables pull, allowing you to control the limb's movement. Think of it as a system of pulleys and levers. It's simple but effective. Externally powered prosthetics are the real game changer. They use myoelectric technology. But what does that mean? Myoelectric prosthetics use electrical signals from your muscles to control the limb. Here's how it works. When you think about moving, your brain sends electrical impulses to the muscles in the residual limb. Electrodes in the prosthetic detect those tiny signals and translate them into movement, allowing you to control the hand, arm, or leg with just your thoughts. It's like your mind is directly talking to the prosthetic limb. Now let's take it a step further. AI and robotics are transforming prosthetics like never before. Bionic limbs are prosthetics integrated with robotics and artificial intelligence, AI. They can learn and adapt to the user's movement patterns. This means the prosthetic becomes smarter over time, recognizing how you walk, lift objects, or grip different items. For example, sensors in bionic limbs can detect pressure, movement, and angles, feeding this information back to the AI system. The AI processes the data and adjusts the limb's movement accordingly to make it more natural. Essentially, the prosthetic learns how you move. Imagine controlling your prosthetic limb just like a natural one, with no lag, no complicated movements, just pure thought. That's the vision of neural prosthetics. This new frontier involves connecting prosthetics directly to the nervous system. Electrodes can be implanted in your brain or spinal cord, allowing the brain's electrical signals to directly control the prosthetic. Researchers are also exploring sensory feedback, where the prosthetic can send signals back to your brain, letting you feel textures, pressure, or even temperature through the artificial limb. Though it's still in experimental stages, this could revolutionize how people with prosthetics interact with their environment. While these advancements are exciting, there are still challenges. Customization, affordability, and durability remain critical issues in prosthetic design. Not everyone has access to cutting-edge technology, and many prosthetics are still expensive. But with continued research and innovation, the future looks bright. AI-powered and neural prosthetics are constantly improving, and the dream of fully natural movement might not be far off. From basic replacements to advanced AI-driven bionic limbs, the science of prosthetics is truly life-changing. It's a testament to how far we've come in blending human biology with technology. Who knows what the future holds? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of technology and artificial intelligence. See you next time.